Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can recover your disabled Facebook account step by step. So for that, first of all, you have to understand the reason. Facebook disables account for violating community standards, suspicious activity, fake names, or identity issues. You'll usually see a message saying your account has been disabled. So here's how you can fix it. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your mobile device. And then in the search bar, simply search for facebook.com/help/contact. Once you've done that, this page is going to open up. Now this is the official appeal form to request a review. Go ahead and simply enter your full name as it appears on Facebook, provide your login email or phone number, and upload your valid government-issued ID. Also add a short explanation like, "My account was disabled by mistake, please review." After submitting the form, wait for the response, and this may take 1 to 7 days. You'll get an email from Facebook on your registered email address. If Facebook needs more info, reply quickly. If the appeal is accepted, you'll get access again. If rejected, you can try appealing once more using the same form. Also avoid using third-party tools like fake IDs or multiple appeals. That can get your account permanently banned. And that's it. That is how you can fix a disabled Facebook account. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.